Model, 2016 Renault Trafic Vivaro 9-seater factory minibus Europe 6 ULEZ compliant. Nice. Body, silver, minibus crew cab. Mileage, 141945. MOT, the 27th of May 2025. Engine, 1598 CCR9M125 Energy E6. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs great. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest minibus, which has been well looked after. Features: aircon, electric windows, parking sensors, sat-nav, 9-seater factory-fitted minibus. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Cap retail, £10,150 plus VAT. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.